Hello everyone, welcome back to another Loot Crate unboxing. My name is Rob, and here we have our April Loot Crate. The theme this month is fantasy, so without further ado, let's get into it and see what the Loot Crate gives us. The box is a little smaller this time. Hopefully it will still be packed with goodness, but we're going to find out in just a second. There we go, we open it up. And right off the top, it looks like there is a t-shirt packed in. That's going to be a big portion of it. This month is fantasy, so I'm very excited about this one. Nice heavy cotton.
G-O-T. It
is a T. I believe this is the 5th edition Dungeons and Dragons logo. I think. Not 100% sure, but it's a nice red T. Cool logo. Here's our start bit. So that's where we start off. Very nice shirt. Continuing on is the famous Loot Crate button with this month's theme fantasy on it. Let's see what else we got. Here we have a little bow tie. And on it is... oh, actually, this is really cute. So if you're looking close, it's got dragons and a big D20. So that's adorable. Put it on for the rest of the video. Well, I can't see it. I'll put it on here. Let's see what else we got. We have the Princess Bride.
Burr.
Deck of cards, maybe?
Probably.
Yeah, let's get a little cut into it just to check. Oops. Princess Bride, a little thing here. And it looks like it is... Oh, it's a very nice deck of cards. It feels nice too. Probably leave it this way. Here we go. Very cool. That is actually quite good. Coming up next is something that I've dropped on the floor. It looks inflatable.
Oh, good grief.
An inflatable crown. I'll blow it up later. I could wear this while I'm dungeon mastering, couldn't I?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to pause and blow it up?
No. We'll just keep going. I will never, ever lose my luggage again. You want to know why?
Mm-hmm.
You sound so excited. It's because I now have a 9 3/4 Harry Potter bag tag.
What? Ooh. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, and mine, oh mine. Get a nice little look at it there.
Cool.
This is Game of Thrones. It looks like a House Stark USB drive.
Oh my god. Want?
That's so cute. Here, you want to put it up to the...
Ooh, wow, detail.
Very detailed. That's really cute. I don't know how big it is.
Doesn't matter.
That's pretty exciting.
Oh, you would even know it's a USB drive.
I'm not sure why this is included, but there is a Loot Crate official member card in it. Does it do anything? I'm looter number... Oh, maybe I shouldn't say. Well, you can see it on the video anyways. Official member. Not sure why that's there. Ooh. This is pretty exciting. Something for the fridge. It is a Game of Thrones House Sigil Magnet set. That's pretty awesome. So we're taking a close look at that. It's got some of the houses on there.
Winter's coming, hear me roar. Hours. Wow. Pretty cool.
Finally, of course, the obligatory Loot Crate magazine. It has all the stuff in here. I'll have to go through, see if I have misinterpreted what any of this is. The Mega Crate looked pretty cool. Mega Crate looks like it's a dual keyboard. Oh, it's a big Asus. Huge system, gaming system. That's pretty awesome. And let's see what the actual crate is. Yeah.
That's exciting.
I'm assuming it's an inside-out box.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Not sure. So that's what we got. We got a nice deck of cards. We got our t-shirt. I love the bag tag. That's awesome. Not sure what the membership card is. I feel like I'm missing something in this whole thing. We got the Princess Bride playing cards. That is a very cool addition. Our USB drive. And I think that is about it. So I'll play through here, see what else there is. I'm likely missing something. That's right, the crown is inflatable. You got the RPG bow tie, the deck of cards, the magnet, that's a 4 GB jump drive. And I think that's about it. Some neat loot in here. Thank you very much. That's it for this month, and we'll see you again in June.